This is the unified G5 turret ultra camera, which is the ultra compact, tamper resistant and the weatherproof camera from the Ubiquiti. It has a long range night vision and it is a 2K SD PoE cameras which support a high viewing angle of 102.4 degree. So in this video we will unbox it and set up it. Let's get started. So this is the box of the G5 turret ultra camera. You can see the name. Here is the camera's image. So let's unbox it. So you will see you can scan and you will get the installation guide from here. Let's open the box, and the box is quite simple. You have to remove this directly. Okay, let's keep the box aside. Now we will check everything inside the box. So you can open the box like this and you will open everything. So here you can get the installation guides, some tools. Here are some screws where you will mount the G5 turret camera on the wall. Some other mounting tools if you want to mount on the ceiling, you can use this. And this is the connector cover. So this unified G5 turret cameras comes with a RJ45 connector. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can see here, and this is the mounting tool. Here you will mount it on the wall. This is the mounting plate, and this is the level option, so you can level it. So if you see these cameras, it has a flexible adjustment. So it is a 360 flexible adjustment. So you can pan 360, rotate 360 with the G5 turret ultra camera. And this is the RJ45 connector pole. So you can see this is the RJ45, and you can see here it support PoE plus. Yeah, it says PoE in plus, and this is something you get like for your cables. You have to use this. So this is what you get inside the box. Let's place all the devices here. So you get the camera, you get some mounting tools, you get this mount and some screws. So this is all you get on the G5 turret ultra camera. So we'll remove this and we will set up it here only. We won't mount it on a wall. We'll just set up it on this network and then see how it performs, and later on we will mount outside so we can check the night vision. It got a high range night vision. As you can see, this camera is a 2K 4 megapixel 30 fps resolution, and it has a IR LED, and it goes up to 30 meter, which is 98 feet IR night vision, and it got a LED indicator on it. So let's open and you can check here. So these are LED indicator and this is the camera sensor. So we will set up it and let you know how does it performs. So here you can see I have a G5 turret ultra camera and I'm running the Unify Protect app on the iPad. So first I will connect the G5 turret ultra camera to a PoE switch. As you can see, it got a cable attached to, so it's a PoE in, so it's a PoE plus. So I will just connect the camera, and after connecting the camera you can see the LED shows up here as a white LED. As you can see, this is the microphone and this is the IR sensor. So as soon as I connected the LED, the camera should show up here on the Unify Protect app. So as of now, you can see the LED, it is booting. Wait for the cameras to show up. So you can see the camera shows up here and it says tap to adopt. So you can see the MAC address, IP address, what the firmware version, the uptime. So I will just click on adopt and you can see the G5 turret ultra is adopted and it is preparing an update now. So we will see the G5 turret ultra camera. What the specifications? As you can see, it got a flexible 3-axis adjustment pan 360. So as you can see on the screen, it shows here. So you can see it got an LED indicator, one microphone and one light sensor. This supports a AI detection. Also,
It's a 2K 4MP, as you can see the quality of the camera, and on the back you will get a reset button here. And this camera, as of now, the LED color states blue, which means it is adopted and managed on the Unify Protect app. And this is 2K 4MP camera. And here you can see it shows the connection excellent. The bit rate is 10,000 kbps. The frame rate per second, it is 30 fps as this support. And right now it is updating the firmware version of it. And under the settings you can change the name, you can set the microphone as it is for the microphone here. As you can see the LED, it is running an update, so you can see the change in the LED status. It is blinking white and blue. Also you can turn the night vision, auto, IR, filter and IR LED, or you can set up as once it is adopted I will let you know. Under the recording mode you can create an audio and video detection because it supports AI events. So you can set up the person, you can set up the vehicle, and this is the audio detection. You can set up, by default it is set up on the smoke alarm, CO alarm, baby crying, but you can choose any of the events you want to set. So right now you see the G5 turret is adopted and updated to the latest version. So the current firmware version, it is running on 4.7.147. As you can see the LED is blinking white, so it is booting. Also you can see the image of this camera. I will just see the image quality of this camera. So this was the unboxing and the first setup of the G5 Turret Ultra camera. I hope I have covered all the topic of unboxing and the first time setup of the G5 Turret Ultra. In the next video I'll try to mount this outside so you can check the AI detection features, person, vehicle, as well as the night vision.
So in this video I have covered the unboxing of the G5 Turret Ultra camera, and I have adopted it to the Unify Protect app. So keeping it short, in next video we'll try to cover the whole G5 Turret Ultra mounting on a wall, and we will see the AI detection features and the night vision, how does it performs in the night, and we will compare with the other existing Unify cameras which I have on my network. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.